Hey y'all, Coco Whit here, and today we're talking about snacks. Snacking doesn't have to be complicated and it doesn't have to be unhealthy. Here are my 5 favorite easy and healthy snacks. Let's go. Alright, we're starting out super easy with raw sauerkraut and raw whole almonds. It's a great source of probiotics, healthy fat, and protein. Cucumbers are low on the glycemic index, which means they're low carb. They're crunchy, they're super refreshing, and they make an awesome dipper for salsa. Let's talk about mini meals, because these are one of my very favorite snack hacks. I take a bunch of vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, or really whatever your favorites are, and I batch cook them to save on time. You season them however you want. Here I did some anti-inflammatory spices. Then you pop them in the oven and roast them until they're done. It's as easy as that. And then you just break into them whenever you need a snack. Here I combine them with some chicken sausage for protein. To say I'm obsessed with medjool dates would be a major understatement. They're a natural source of energy, they're packed with vitamins and minerals, and you can smear a bit of nut butter on them to take it to the next level. These energy bites are a little bit more time intensive, but once you make a batch, you can snack on them for at least a week, although I can't promise they'll last that long in your house. Pecans and walnuts are a great source of healthy fats. I add hemp seeds for protein and more of those tasty dates. Then I add a little bit of cacao. It's a superfood that naturally elevates the mood. It's rich in magnesium and iron, and it's delicious. I roll them into little balls and try not to eat them all at once.